Yeah. You did tell mommy. Tell her. What wreck?
Oh, sorry, you missed it. Yeah?
Tell her.
Oh, more spit out.
Tell mommy.
You got it. And more. And now it's like up here on her upper lip. Oh, and there goes more.
Tell mommy.
Wait. It's like right. Other side. Towards you. There you go.
Tell mommy. Tell mommy. What are you getting all excited about? Spit.
Hey. I'm over here. Hey. Olivia.
Suck on my hand. That's not for you.
Hey, tell me more.
Tell mommy.
Hey.
Tell mommy.
Hey. Olivia. Are you done talking? You know, I'm sending this to my mom. That was very beautiful.
You're not going to be able to send that to your mom.
Yes, I am.
It's too long a video.
No, you sent it to my Hotmail and then I forwarded it to my mom.
Mine won't even let me send it from my phone that long.
Mine will.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think she's done talking. Now she's eating.